Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see on the icon, that is Pokemon Freaks Worldwide. That is me. I'm in the background. I don't have the features so you can see my face and I can see y'all at the same time. But we are going in with the coldest, the baddest. Put on your snowsuit. Put on your boots, your gloves, your mitts, your hats, whatever you got to do. It's the coldest season of Pokemon, chilling rain. But before we start opening up these beautiful products for y'all, my name is Victor. I run this channel, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. But guys, I got to talk to you about something today. All right? I found, ladies and gentlemen, some error cards, okay? When I'm opening up these Pokemon cards, take a look, guys. All right, I don't know nothing about it, so we're going to get into this right away. We're going to take a look. We're going to take it out of the package, out of my top sleever. Guys, this, I got to get this graded. I got to find out what went on with this Pokemon card, guys. What went on with this? I don't know. Look at this. All right, so as a Pokemon card, we all know a normal Pokemon card looks like this. Has the round corners. All right, pretty decent, right? But take a look at this one, guys. What do y'all think about this one? You see, it has the round... Guys, first of all, it doesn't even have a round corner. It is a real one because I did pull it from a booster box, guys. So, check this out. Look, it has it's like a clip error, guys. Look at this. Absolutely crazy Pokemon card. I don't know what to think of it, but not only do I have one, ladies and gentlemen, I got two. Here's the second one. Flannery, guys. So let's take out Flannery. So yes, I'm going to be getting these sent out to get graded because I'll tell you why. Because I've never seen something like this. Guys, take a look. It's like they forgot to cut the card, guys. They were in a hurry. It was a Friday. They were like, yeah, we got to hurry up. No, they forgot to cut the corner of the card, guys. So is this a PSA 10? I don't think so. Look at the corner, guys. It's like a hockey card. You guys, it's no Pokemon card has a point on it. Please let me know down in the comment section. This is very rare, guys. Very rare. I've never seen something like this. This is unique, guys. So yeah, let me know. Should I actually get these graded? Should I send these out? Is this an error card for sure? Look at this. Have you guys ever seen something like this? If you have, please email me. PokemonFreaksWorldwide@gmail.com. I want to know. But these, until then, guys, I want to know something. This is crazy. I never seen something like that. That was poorly taken care of. That is a very big error. And yeah, that is insane. But today's video, guys, we're going to go up with the coldest season. Like I said, my name is Victor, and we're about to get into this right now. Let's go in for the kill. We have the Chilling Rain. Sword and Shield, guys, Chilling Rain, Booster Pack, 10 additional cards. The Zapdos on the front. We have the Pokemon trading game. Guys, the Pokemon TCG, Sword and Shield, Chilling Rain expansion contains, listen up, over 190 cards. Each Pokemon TCG Booster Pack contains 10 cards and 1 basic energy. We all know that. We have an energy card. That's what makes the game grow, guys. Each player must have 60 card deck of Pokemon cards to play. So you guys heard that. Hashtag that. Expand your Pokemon trading game collection with 10 additional game cards booster packs. Expand your gameplay online. Whoa, let's check this out. So you can play online. Contains 1 code card. This card gives you, guys, listen to this, access to an additional online booster pack for play in the Pokemon TCG online. So what more do you guys want? We're going to be giving those free online code cards to y'all. Brought to you in part by 2021 Pokemon 1995/2021 Nintendo. Great choice. Game Freak, guys. Character names and trademarks of Nintendo manufactured by the Pokemon Company International, printed in the USA. www.pokemon.com. Pokemon, you gotta catch them all. So let's go. They got everything. This is crazy. This is beautiful. This is awesome. These, and don't forget, can't let your little ones open up these Pokemon 6+. Let's go. Beautiful music in the background. My girlfriend's meditation 2021 meditation vibes. That's her channel. She produced this music for us to have it in the background. So guys, go give her a like. Go subscribe, please. I need some help to watch this family grow and to watch the both channels grow. That is me. You see this icon? I'll be all over the web soon because I donate cards to a hospital called Ottawa Shield. And we do everything, me and my wife, to make sure that this hospital is getting prepared for the crazy outcome that we had. And we do the best we can to save kids' lives because my daughter had an open heart surgery there. And they did a very good job. So I'm going to do a good job to try to help the best way I can. There it is, the Rapid Strike. This set of Chilling Reign has 2 different types. You got the single and Rapid Strike. So see what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. We pulled the Rapid, now we're pulling the single strike. Thanks to Leonhardt for bringing in that beautiful man with the voice. I watched his videos, absolutely epic. Hashtag to you, Leonhardt, for that. To create us some good content. Made me motivated to start singing in my video. Here's the fur-fru. Come on down. The price is right to get a Vinipede. Not bad, going once, twice, sold to the next door neighbor. Here we got Score Bunny, Reverse Hollow, and the Rapid, the single, the Rapid, the single, and there's me. Let's go. Metal. Raboot. Agatha. Hey, Agatha, how do you do? I'm the king of the throne, Victor. You're not. You cannot come into the Pokemon gates if you do not know the password. The password is, gotta catch them all? Nope. Pokeball? Nope. Pika! You have access. I knew it was Pika. Thank you, Agatha. The Fog Crystal. I can see the future. Can you see mine? Here we go. The code card, guys. I love to act out on this channel. This is beautiful. I love to do it. But nothing is colder than an air conditioner. Yes, there is. Are these? These are cold. Can't feel my fingers with these. Let's go. Gotta catch 'em all. 10 additional game cards. And we gotta catch 'em all. The TCG Sword and the Shield Chilling Reign expansion contains over 190 cards. So let's get 'em all. Yeah. From Pikachu to Gyarados. Now we gotta do it, not overdose. Overdose of Pokemon cards in the binder. Coming behind us. Skull Bunny coming like a blinder. Oh, yeah, Diglett, right there behind you. Oh, Gollet, there you go, guys. Durling. Sneasel. Beautiful Pokemon. There's the frozen stuff we're looking for. We have a Snowland Pokemon. Not bad. And a Galarian Slowking. For the holo, for the rare, for the 98/198, do you care? Yes, sir. Metal type. Dyna Tree Hill, Feeny. Karen's conviction. You are convicted for the crime of not catching a Pokemon today, sir. I mean, ma'am. Here's a code card. Alright, Chilling Reign. Are you chilling in the rain? Because I'm going to be chilling in the rain soon if I don't get some good pulls, y'all. Oh, there you go, the PSA 10. But those clip cards, guys, let's get back into that. Whoa, wait a minute. You're watching the channel. Sorry. What are these, man? Have you ever seen these before? Look at these things. These got to be an ultra rare. They got to be. Let me know down in the comment section. Should I get those graded? And if I do you think that is a big time error? Do you think that is epic? Let me know, the high time players. If you know a little bit more about Pokemon than moi, Pokemon Freaks Worldwide, please let me know. Don't be shy. Larvesta. We got Sobel, being immobile. Look at this. He's doing the signs of I'm gonna get you. There he goes. Ladybug, Scavid, Crabbler. We got the cast form Snow. Weather Pokemon. This is the weather, guys. We shall predict a cold and beautiful pull. Bang. Not even. But we tried. There's the star, there's the rare. Let's go, fire type. The Fog Crystal, Hitterin, Drizzle, and the code card Sword and Shield Chilling Reign, ladies and gentlemen. Going in with the brain. Yeah, 9:24 minutes in Sword and Shield Reign. Here we go. Beautiful music in the background. Me and you doing the content together. Y'all are watching. Y'all are checking this video out. Y'all are waiting for me to open this beautiful pack. Let's go. Throw the cardboard in the box. We will recycle you later. Guys, not only this. This is epic. I've been opening up Pokemon cards since I've been born in a diaper. I had a diaper and I bet you I was opening them up reading the pack. As my daughter is today. But there's a Delibird. Guys, the bird is delivering presents. What kind of beautiful delivery Pokemon is that? What do y'all need more than a delivery Pokemon at your service? A blue sheep. Guys, if you ever own a blue sheep, it's done. I love it. We're quitting Pokemon, guys. For real. What about Hercules? Clubopus. The reverse. What's the bang? A flying bird. It's a Zapdos. It is. Look at the claws. It is a full art Galarian Zapdos. HP 200 and 080. 198 star. Coming in thunderous kick. Before doing damage, discard the special energy from your opponent's active Pokemon. Bang! We did it. Reverse. Bang! Full. Reverse. Bang! Bang! Here we go. Let's go in for the kill. Metal! And the girl, Honey, she's coming out to play. The trainer, she's like, I'm deciding to train these Pokemon. Let's go. Impact energy. That's what we're looking for. The impact. Path to the peak. And the... Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. I just watched make me cry when you see these beautiful Pokemon cards just getting pulled on my channel. Beautiful. There I am. We're going to keep this little pile of shiny cards right there to motivate us. No, I'm just joking. We're going to put them over here. Guys. Hello? Anybody there? I'm here. Chillin' Rain, Snorlax, Black Star promo 2021. Into the game. Trading game. There's Zapdos. There's the other one. And the hidden feature. I bet you this pack is the one, the only, the high hitter. Let's go. Oh, wait a minute. We have a coin. Gotta look at the back of the pack. Gotta read it. Give your collection a boost. There it is. Get into the latest Pokemon TCG action with 3, not 1, not 2, 3 booster packs from the new, #new, Sword and Shield, Chilling Rain expansion, the special foil promo card. Yo, there's a special foil? Why didn't they tell us this in the beginning? I would have bought this a long time ago. Pokemon coin to add to your collection. No way! And a code card for the Pokemon TCG. Guys, you're gonna get that code card. Not me. The rule of the Guys, let's check this out. Seize the advantage with the Pokemon of the Frozen Lands. With the powerful Ice Rider Galariax VMAX, the Shadow Rider Galarax VMAX, plus the Galarian forms of Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres, Phantom Hauntings, ooh, that's scary, Howling Blizzards, and Wild Battles. Expand the realms of your Pokemon strategy with new powers. Yo, I know those new powers are sick. And new possibilities. Press the despite ghostly optional and claim total victory in the land of the spectral snow. I knew it was cold. Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield Chilling Rain expansion. Let's go. Bring in the love. Oh, it didn't open. Let's dig our fingers in that bad boy and get into this. Come on, packs. We've been waiting long enough for y'all. So let's go. Thank you very much. We'll pick you up later. Well, let's take a good... Can we find a swirl? Guys, what I mean, these Pokemon cards, if you actually find a swirl in them, the value kind of goes up a little bit. And what I mean by a swirl, you'll see what I mean. When we find one, I will show y'all what I'm talking about. Snorlax is a great Pokemon. It would be greater if we'd have it in the gold version that we are searching for. There's the Black Star promo. See it? Nice and into the screen. Single strike tackle. The Pokemon also does 30 damage to itself. But let's check it out. Wait a minute. Focus in. This Pokemon's stomach is so strong, even eating moldy or rotten food, it will not affect it. So this thing can eat any garbage that you plan. Give him a T-bone steak, a pizza, and throw him a banana peel, and this guy will eat it. This guy will not mess around. Then take out the peanuts, take out some pickles and some olives, and this guy will swallow it in wholly. I'll be back to eat some more. Yes, sir, Snorlax. Never knew that about Snorlax, but a beautiful promo. Here it is. Please. The Chilling Rain. Snorlax. Go get the code card, man. Go play online for free. Oh, let's go. 14 minutes in, and we got to hit a banger. We got to do it. We got to catch them all. Short and tall. Got to catch them all. Let's go, baby. Can we do it? Snoober. Slowpoke. Because Galarian Slowpoke eat the seeds of a plant that grows only in Galar, sorry guys, their tails have developed a spicy flavor. So it's spicing up the waterfall for y'all that go drink the water. Great Pokemon. We have a Crabbler. It is a boxing Pokemon. Now we're talking. This is my type of Pokemon. I like Crabbler. He's a boxing type. I always loved boxing when I was a kid. Here's the Snorunt. Let's find out if... No, it can only survive in cold areas. That's why this is a cold season. Happy around even the environments as a cold 150 degrees Fahrenheit. We're bringing you to the North Pole, buddy. There is Weedle, not yet a butterfly. Avery, and the Sawbuck. Saw the buck, buck the saw. There we go. It is a seasonal Pokemon. Blah, blah, blah. 17. Let's go. Pina, Drizzle, Honey, and the Code Card. 2 more packs to end the season, but thank you very much for tuning in. That is me. When you see this logo, you'll be sure to see me on the screen, making content for y'all. Absolutely beautiful crowd. You guys are amazing. Happy to do this for y'all. Let's go. We have a Swirlix, we have a Lapras, we have a Deerling, a Slowpoke, a Coughing, a Cursor, and Farard. Let's go, CO, Pina, the Fire Resistant Glove, the code card for y'all to go enjoy the last pack magic, as they say, as they do, as you bring in the love for me and you. Let's go. Gotta catch them all. Can we do it? Bring in that love. Booyah. Rookie. Score buddy. Following in the background. Arion. Snorunt is coming in the lead. Crabbler. Galad. Fire type. Come on. There's the doctor. You need some help. You need some stitches. There he is. The Linen and the code card. My name is Victor. I run this channel. All these cards, if you ask, what do I do with my cards? Well, the rest of the cards, as you can see, been piled up. And I open up cards every day. All these cards, except the code cards, because you can actually redeem the code cards if you all don't take them. But, yeah, we take these cards, we put them in stacks of 100. I bring them to my local Cardomagica in Ottawa and Saint Laurent. When we sell them at 2 cents a card, take the money, donate it, help kids out, helps you out, helps my channel out. So yeah, like, subscribe, and you will be able to get a booster box of Chilling Reign. I'm going to be giving one out this month. So let's get that like. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Let's get this video 50,000 views. Let's go. Bring in the love. Let's do it. And please, I need the comments. What is this? Look at these clip error, guys. Alright, guys. I love you all. And stay safe. Keep your families. Thank you, TCG. Thank you, Nintendo Freaks. Thank y'all. Thanks to content creators also who's doing Pokemon. Thanks Logan Paul. Hashtag to all you guys for making Pokemon the name of the game, the brightness of our day, and to continue as a community to watch, play, and open up packs together. My name is Victor, and I will see you in the next video, y'all.